Kani kadiga kubor Laitkam kabalai hapo NIT Mekhlaya kabadon ha sohra nakabenta unohikai James te sabha shapi ki parlok baro kamtam ki bapej ya ke video ke jonga kanang bapintip te hangni ngan pulei shapi kandon ka postpone dates lani ka propose date ke bangi jutip ka bade direct interview don exam don ni direct interview kata kadwe terik benai bakhar arjar apsau nadu sipo bejaman step lane 10 am onwards hapo NIT Mekhlaya Bijini Complex Line Crash long nagamta ka interview late bait hapo NIT Mekhlaya Bijini Complex Line Crash long a period for appointment nakbenta ki ba yo ketika post kan datang khatwi benai with respect from date of appointment and nadu ka date ka ba la jit la ne la thung pi hadu khatwi benai pinyo bantre kum u instructor la ne unohi kai James but sedang ru nadu first week u January arajar arsan ka syong hagi benai hadu benai yu sakin kadui benai mo but ka number opus hangne kadon artli kawi no mentai shenrang but kawi no mentai kentai but ka qualification hangne kande ya candidates ki bala pendep ya ka 10+2 but degree ru kumju but kumju ru pide bendon ya ka diploma in fitness training or gym instructor pide bendon ya ka ni ka certificate but nakumta ka category kande ka fitness coach but gym instructor di nakumta ki shenrang for the boys hostel gym gents gymnasium but nakumta kinte pade females for the girl hostel gym ladies gymnasium but nakumta ki candidates ki basha jit nakumta balong u instructor hapo katike NIT Mekhlaya kabadon hasora kinsiu yapi ya ka honorarium kabade laipo hajar shibnai baru nalor ketika honorarium kinyo ru kiwi ki jingyo kata kabadai kum ki medical reimbursement allowance but kiwi kum ki ying ki jakashong jakasa kabam but kiwi pi la banyo mo handai don pension no gratuity extra in is application but the terms and condition nak beta kitu ki candidates ki bakwa ban apply nak beta ketika post instructor dan gym instructor kan di gumne ban kong kan di candidate must be citizen of India di bandai nong India age limit kata mde ban palat ya ka suppose name but ka degree ka qualification hang kan di 10+2 degree diploma teper. The candidate must bring all relevant original documents for the work interview. The candidates kini banra yaki original documents sakapor ba kilate banle ketika interview haka khatway terik banai ba khadar ahjar arsaw. But no TA or DA and accommodation is permitted for attending the interview. Selection will be based on the interview performance of the candidate. Nagabanta banjit yaki candidates kasyong haka jingla jingpi haka interview lani yaki jingkli haka por baki interview BP. Ditangkatai haka bay bat kani ka kubor Laitkam kabadi jong gym instructor lani ka gym instructor kabadi po NIT Mekhlaya kabadan hasora. Ditangkatai sobha ban syumi kani kalat gi kabu khamtam ki khun samla ki bala nang ban le kai gym lani ki bala yo ya ka certificate gym instructor late no nakabenta ketika direct interview but pinsayo ya ketika post kabala light hasora tangkatai sai sinpan subha lada pidang degi batmai haga video bat channel jonga subha wanam klet banya subscribe nakabenta ki latest updates lani ki employment news ki banangwan. Stay tuned. God bless you.